All right, guys, if you've been looking for low maintenance, single level living in Spearfish, this is your golden opportunity. Guys, we are here at 714 South 34th Street here in the beautiful Green Acres subdivision in Spearfish. This is actually where I grew up, believe it or not, guys. This is one of my favorite neighborhoods in town, as it is for many people. You guys know at this point, anything under 300K does not last long in Spearfish, so I'm telling you guys right now, hop on this opportunity before it's gone. It's not gonna last long, guys. But if you guys take a look right behind you, I will show you guys one of the best parts of this house here. You guys get all three mountains in Spearfish here for views. I mean, imagine this, guys. And sunset is obviously on the west, which is right above Crow Peak over there. So just imagine the sunsets with family or even waking up here in the morning. It is phenomenal. So if you guys come up here too, I will show you guys around the side lot and everything. But you guys can see this is also an end unit, which is amazing because you guys get the side yard and get a little bit of extra space, get some more windows inside. I know we run into that a lot with quadplexes like this, is they can be dark in the middle units, but not on this one. You guys can see all the landscaping she's done and everything already. Come up here. She loves your plants too. So if you guys love your plants, you can see plenty of space for that. But nice little patio on the side here to hang out. Like I said, guys, this is where I'd be hanging out. I don't know about you guys. The views and everything are phenomenal up here. Also, there is a hill behind you here, so there will never be anybody built behind you here to my knowledge. And it decreases some of the wind because you guys know we do get some wind in the Black Hills here. So less noise, less wind, things like that. But you guys can see this is on a 0.32 acre lot. Like I said, bigger lot being on the side, but look at all of this around you that you have space to hang out. And I know I told you guys low maintenance. There's an HOA that covers full lawn care, snow removal, the whole gamut. So you do not have to lift a finger. So great for a first-time home buyer if you're looking to downsize for retirement. You guys name it, this is the spot to be. But without further ado, we'll head inside and give you guys the full tour of the place. All right, guys, come on inside here. You guys will see as soon as you come in, it does exactly what a small home is well designed to do. It wastes no space. You guys can see coming inside here, got a little coat closet for guests and goes right into the garage. We'll come back to the garage in a bit. I know all you garage lovers out there are gonna wanna check that out, like myself, but we will see that at the end. But first I gotta show you guys the living room and everything else. Like I said, this place is a well-designed small home. It's a 915 square foot, the perfect amount to give you plenty of space for guests, but without having to take care of everything. I know I hate cleaning and maintaining stuff, so this is right up my alleyway. But you guys can see nice massive living room, nice big window on the front, so lets plenty of natural light in, like I said. Coming to the kitchen, all new appliances here, you guys will see. So brand new dishwasher, brand new microwave. She literally just put this in a couple weeks before they're going to put this on the market here. Nice electric range and oven and nice LG refrigerator. Also get the Lazy Susan and plenty of cabinet space. And then you got the little island here too, which does stay with the property. So get everything included in this kitchen. But we'll head over to the main bathroom over here. Slash laundry, and you guys will see here, really well set up. So you get a nice little laundry space here, which is in its own entirety in the closet. So you get some shelving and it's out of the bathroom. I know sometimes they'll combine them and put them all in one room and it's just kind of interesting, but here you can close it off with the doors. Nice massive Ream Marathon water heater. These things last for frickin' ever. I always see them in homes in Lead and Deadwood and they've been lasting for like 100 years. It's insane. So like I said, plenty of usage with that. Nice washer and dryer. But look at all the space too. She's got her cat litter box set up in here too. So kind of make for a dual setup bathroom, but toilet right here. Nice big vanity if you guys check this out. And then you get a little linen here for all of your goods, cleaning supplies, things like that. And then you get the full tub and shower here. So good setup as well. So you can take baths and showers here. But that takes us into one of the two bedrooms, and these are massive bedrooms as well. And you can see with these big windows in here, there is no shortage of light with the hill. And you'll see too, she just installed these as well, these nice blinds, these slider blinds like this, which do stay with the property. She's almost got me sold on them. I'm gonna probably buy some for my house because they are phenomenal. But they're custom made just for these windows and do a phenomenal job of taking light out if it's too much for you guys. But plenty of space in here, got a little closet, and you guys can see carpet is in phenomenal condition too. Really plush. And all flooring and carpet has been updated from the prior owner, so all new. Like I said, it's been built in 2005 though, so really new house nonetheless. Won't have to worry about any big maintenance things coming up. With that being said, we'll head into the second bedroom, which is very similar size. Does have a little bit bigger of a closet and only has one window, so you can kind of take your pick here. Won't go wrong with either, but you can see you have both the bifold doors and have a monster closet in this one. So if closet space is more important to you, this is obviously the one to go for. I know I promised you guys too, we'll head out to the garage to finish up here. Like I said, one of the best parts of the garage, or one of the best parts of the house. But the house really speaks for itself. Like I said, there's not much to be said here. You guys can see why this is such an awesome pick for anybody looking for a smaller home like this. Got a nice simple garage, just a one stall, but you can see all epoxy floors in here, which is really nice. And you guys can see all the walls in here are tape and textured. It's fully finished out just like the house. So really great setup for like a heater or something like that. You could put a little electric heater in the corner. Those work great here in the Black Hills. But also a ton of storage space in the back with all the shelving. You can see she's got all her goods stacked up for when she's ready to move once we get this place sold for her. But you can still fit a full truck or SUV. She's got a lot of SUVs she fits in here and still has no shortage of space for storage in the back of the garage. All right, guys, I know I already told you, but this is where I'm hanging out. And if you guys want to do the same and enjoy these incredible views and this single level living, give me a shout for a private tour. All my information will be linked in the description below. You guys know we're the professionals of Spearfish, South Dakota, and the entire Black Hills area. We post videos like this every single week. So if you guys don't want to miss out, make sure you smash the subscribe button, click the like button so you guys keep seeing videos like this one, and turn on the notification bell. Like I said, guys, give me a shout if you want a tour and reach out for any other of your real estate needs. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.